Okay, so approximately 1 in 6 Americans get sick, are hospitalized, or even die from foodborne disease every year. To combat this, the Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA, has issued regulations that are related to good manufacturing practices in food safety. These are sometimes referred to as GMPs. Good manufacturing practices are rules and guidelines that are used by food manufacturers to prevent food-related illnesses. In other words, GMPs outline those conditions that are in place for the hygienic production and handling of food. Make sense? The FDA also uses GMP standards as the basis for their inspections. Good manufacturing practices are preventive controls that are codified in the FDA's Regulation 21 CFR Part 117. Food safety has actually been regulated since the 1800s. That said, the FDA has overhauled current practices several times over the years. This is to meet the ever-growing needs of the food manufacturing business. What was originally aimed at preventing poisoning and consumer fraud in food safety has evolved to include quality standards in food production, including guidelines on production facilities. This demonstrated a pretty radical shift from reactively addressing foodborne illness to being proactive in preventing it. Good manufacturing practices were designed to prevent food safety hazards, eliminate contamination, including cross-contamination, and to control hazard levels for food ingredients and processing. As our understanding of foodborne illnesses has increased, so have the good manufacturing practices. So we now realize that food-related diseases are preventable, and when they're not prevented, that they cause a significant public health problem as well as affect the economic system of food production. Ouch. Following good manufacturing practices' key provisions, the food industry can protect itself and the consumers.